Hey guys, welcome back. Today I want to show you how to make the common whipping. It's a really useful knot in paracord crafting, but it has a lot of other uses as well. It's actually been a part of a lot of our creations in the past, but we've never done a video specifically on this topic. So it's nice to have a little short tutorial that we can reference in other videos from here on out. So I'll start by showing you the traditional use. A whipping is generally used to keep a old-fashioned rope like this, twisted ropes, from coming apart by whipping around the ends. So this one has a little bit of one on it already. I'm not going to take that off or it's going to come unraveled, but I'll demonstrate with some paracord what that common whipping looks like. So we'll start by laying out the cord right alongside our bigger rope, and then we're going to fold it back on itself to make a bite or a U shape like this. Then we'll hold on to that U and take our working end, wrap it around once, and then we want it to sit down right next to our first wrap, like this. Make sure that it pins down our U, or our bite. Keep on wrapping around, moving towards my left here, or towards the bend in the rope. Wrap it good and tight. Then after we've got a couple wraps, we want to pin that with our finger, and take the end and put it down through our loop. Like that. And then the magic of this knot is that we can pull this end and it shortens our loop. So if we have both ends pulled nice and tight, we can anchor that end by pulling this all the way down underneath the wrap, like that. Now when we cut both ends, neither of those are going to come undone, and we've got a nice tight wrap to keep our rope from unraveling. So now that you know how to construct it, I'm going to show you how to use it in a paracord project. So I've got the framework of a bracelet already set up and ready to go here. Really, it's just a length of paracord with both ends put through a wood bead. So I've got some microcord that will be wrapping around both of these paracord strands. So just like before, we're going to make that U on this end. Make sure to leave a little bit of extra cord to pull on later. So we've got our little bite. And then take that cord and wrap it once around. And we want our wraps to be moving back towards the direction of our bite here. So once we get enough to hold on to, make sure it's good and tight. It might even help to pull your loop tight at this point, so you just get all the slack out of that wrapped end. Then once we get a couple wraps, we want to make sure that our loop is the right size. So before it gets any tighter, we want to slide it down towards that end so that it's just barely big enough for that bead to fit through. That looks about right. Finish off with just a couple more wraps and bring the end down through that loop. Make sure you're still holding both ends tight, and then pull that bottom end to shrink our loop. Pull until it anchors that other end into place. Then we can clip both ends. And it should hold fine like that, but because we are working with paracord, I like to just seal off those ends a little bit better and melt them with a lighter. So now we have a secure wrap that's not going anyplace, and it looks pretty good too. So like I said before, we've used this in a lot of past videos, and you're sure to see it again if you stick around and subscribe. It was actually one of the first knots that I learned, so lots of good memories there. Thanks for watching, guys, and we hope to see you next time.